Hey दोस्तों, welcome to second video of Bootstrap 5 tutorial series. In this series, we are going to learn fundamental and basic of Bootstrap 5. In previous video, we have introduced Bootstrap 5. It is recommended to watch that video before starting this video. In this video, we will learn how to get started with Bootstrap 5. So, let's begin. There are two ways to start using Bootstrap 5 on website. Include Bootstrap 5 from a CDN or download it from getbootstrap.com. If you don't want to download and host Bootstrap files by yourself, you can include it from Content Delivery Network, that is CDN. JSDeliver provides CDN support for Bootstrap, CSS and JavaScript. Many users already have downloaded Bootstrap 5 from JSDeliver when visiting another site. As a result, it will be loaded from cache when they visit your site, which leads to faster loading time. If you want to download and host Bootstrap 5 by yourself, go to getbootstrap.com and follow the simple download instruction there. Link is given in the description. Let's create first website using Bootstrap 5. Begin with by creating a blank HTML file in any of your favorite text editor. Step 1. Add the HTML file doc type. Bootstrap 5 uses HTML element and CSS property that require HTML file doc type. Always include HTML file doc type at the beginning of the page along with language attribute and correct character set. Bootstrap 5 is a mobile first. It is designed to be responsive to mobile devices. Mobile first styles are a part of code framework. To ensure proper rendering and touch zooming, add viewport meta tag inside the head element. The width equal to device width part set the width of a page corresponding to the screen width of the device, which will vary depending on the devices. The initial scale equal to 1 sets the initial zoom level when the page is first loaded by the browser. Then specify the location of Bootstrap CSS and JavaScript files. You can also specify JavaScript before the end of body tag. Bootstrap also required containing element to wrap site content. Bootstrap comes with 3 different containers. First, the container class set the max width at each responsive breakpoint. Second, the container fluid class provide a full width container spanning the entire width of the viewport. Third, the container dash specified breakpoint set the full width container until the specified breakpoint. The following example shows the code for a Bootstrap 5 basic page. You can replace container with container fluid for full width display or container followed by specific breakpoint to set full width container until specified breakpoint. Pause this video and note down the basic given example and try to extend this example for self-learning. Hope you enjoyed this video and curious to learn more about Bootstrap. In next video, we will learn about different breakpoints. Kindly like this video and share it with your friends so that it reaches more and more people. And thanks for watching.